Having a healthy diet and active lifestyle is not always that easy. Due to the hectic patterns of our modern lifestyle, we don't always have the time to prepare healthy and nutritious meals. Consuming takeaway foods, ready-made meals and eating out have become a lot more accessible and convenient. However, these foods tend to be low in nutrients and very high in calories. Want a healthy meal that is delicious, nutritious and quick to prepare? Formula 1 Shake is the pioneering Herbalife nutrition product, backed by science with high-quality protein and all the nutrients your body needs for a nutritious meal. Formula 1 Shake contains 22 vitamins and minerals, 18 grams of high-quality protein and 3 grams of fiber. Formula 1 Shakes are available in 10 delicious flavors. Enjoy them alone or get creative and blend with fruits, vegetables, herbs and spices. For successful weight loss, replace 2 main meals with a Formula 1 Shake. For healthy weight maintenance, replace one of your daily meals with our Formula 1 Shake. Packed with essential nutrients, Formula 1 is the perfect solution for a delicious and nutritious meal. Contact your Herbalife nutrition member today for further details.